Here we have for you a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1.6 litre, TDI, SE, 80 PS. Now the red rocket is a standout and it has a good spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, a battery regeneration during braking, an anti-lock braking system, a driver alert system, along with these 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's a good size and it even comes fully equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a composition media system, a multi-function interface and a colour touchscreen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.